Every tire begins far from the factory, rooted in living forests.
Here, precision decides the quality of raw rubber.
A controlled cut releases nature's industrial material.
Thousands of trees feed a single production cycle.
Harvest by hand, gathered with care.
From tree to transport, contamination is avoided.
Latex begins its transformation into solid rubber.
Moisture leaves, structure remains.
This is the raw foundation of every car tire. Raw rubber now begins its industrial journey. Each bale is tracked, weighed, and logged.
Nothing moves without verification.
From rural fields to industrial centers. Time and temperature are carefully controlled. The factory never sleeps.
Every kilogram is accounted for.
Raw materials enter controlled zones.
The transformation is about to begin.
Inside these walls, raw material becomes engineered precision. The factory absorbs its raw inputs.
Flow is constant, controlled, and deliberate.
Storage conditions preserve material integrity.
Every batch enters a digital identity.
From storage to processing, nothing stops. This is manufacturing at industrial scale. Human discipline powers automated systems. Preparation begins before transformation. Before precision, purity is enforced. Size reduction prepares material for control. Impurities are removed by motion.
Water strips away the last contaminants.
Moisture control begins immediately.
Hidden hazards are silently removed. Technology confirms uniformity. Clean material waits for formulation. Now, chemistry takes over. Here, raw rubber meets controlled force. Strength is engineered at the molecular level. Every formula follows exact science. Heat and shear bind materials together.
Too much heat and everything fails.
The mixture is released at peak readiness. Consistency is flattened into form. Microns matter in tire performance. Stability returns before shaping begins. Shaping begins under controlled pressure. This surface will one day meet the road. Function and identity form together.
Precision never slows production.
Strength is woven beneath the surface. Steel gives the tire its backbone. Many parts, one final form. Assembly begins from the inside out. A tire is born, still unfinished. Automation handles what humans must not distort. Shape is locked under pressure. Heat, time, and pressure do the work. Vulcanization changes everything. Raw compound becomes road-ready form. Speed meets consistency. Stability returns before scrutiny. Every detail is checked at speed. Only perfection moves forward. Excess disappears. Precision remains. Even the hidden edges matter.
Identity is verified by human eyes.
Balance defines driving comfort. Stability is proven under motion. Pressure reveals invisible flaws. Human judgment completes the check.
Each tire gains a traceable identity.
Now, science has the final word. Verification happens in silence. Dimensions must be exact.
Endurance is proven by stress.
Heat exposes weakness.
Strength is measured, not assumed.
Safety margins are non-negotiable.
Data decides what ships. Protection ensures perfection reaches the road.
Every tire knows where it belongs. Order prepares for scale. Inventory waits on demand.
The final movement begins.
Global roads await.
And this is how modern factories produce car tires from start to finish.
Engineering leaves the factory.
Industry never stops moving.